Well, folks, it's the end of the week, shaboos kind of thing with this pack opening thing. I love opening packs. I'm obsessed. But there it is. Konami Direct, 100 packs of Lord of the Tachyon Galaxy. Now, this isn't all 100. I actually opened it up and took it out and got 50 of them here. The other 50 I've kind of set aside for either future things. I've got 30 of them up on eBay right now. So, with that light being said, you know, if you want to go purchase them, fine, follow my eBay. But the other 20 then, I've been thinking about, you know, saving for giveaways or future openings or something kind of like that. So that's a lot of packs here. So there goes the box. It's a nice box though. But yeah, right there, 50 Lord of the Tachyon Galaxy for a great price in my opinion. Then for the 100. No, you don't get to know what the price is. I don't share my secrets that much. But as it is, 9 cards in every pack, 48 commons, 20 rares, 14 supers, 10 ultras, and 8 secret rares. So I'm just gonna, you know, jump right on into this. I have only had a few Lord of the Tachyons in my time, so it's nice to, you know, pull them out and kind of get a lot of stuff from this set that I've never had before. Particularly, you know, maybe getting a lot of the Dragon Rulers. Maybe they'll be worth something again if they come off the ban list. So we'll see what we got. But as far as we're concerned right now, we'll start off with Steam Dragon Ruler of Droplets, the Baby Dragon. Biscale, Blizzard Falcon, Sonic Warrior, Ice Beam Zeraphim as our rare. Five Brothers Explosion, Dotengu. He's a pretty funny looking chap. Burner, Dragon Ruler Spark, so 2 Dragon Ruler babies. And Battle and Boxer Switch Hitter. This is going to be a lot of cards, people. 50 packs. And I've opened things like this before with a couple box things and stuff like that, but never have I opened up 59 per pack. Counterpunch, Panther Shark, Aerial Recharge, Gaga Wind, Dual Barrel Roll as our rare. Sparks again as a card. Magnum Shield, Fire Formation Kyo, and Mermail Abyssyon. So, kind of to do a quick look up, I pulled up the cards that are kind of the pull out of here, and I know Draco Sack is the big one, and then obviously the Pack Art 107 is the next up on that list. Channelers there and Sacred Sword of the 7 Stars. But otherwise, you know, everything else is kind of, you know, mediocre, like, sort of price thing. So let's see if our Matt can pull us some luck and get us a Draco Sack. You know, with that, Draco Sack and the Dragon Rulers, that was what was huge about this pack back then. It was the Dragon Rulers ruling pack. And there's the Baby Lightning Ruler. So this was it. You could get the Dragon Rulers, Mimic. You can get the Dragon Rulers and Draco Sack all in the same booster pack. Atlantean Trigon. Oh, there's Blaster as our rare. And, oh, there's our first holo, I believe. Yeah, it's kind of hard to see the shine on that. But that is a holo, Noble Arms of Destiny. You know, that really never took off. Glassjaw, Jewels of Valiant, and Bachi. Man, they're running out of names. Bachi. I'm going to keep the Dragon Rulers themselves out because they're kind of, you know, the thing that I think can make a comeback in this deck one day. The return of the Dragon Rulers. That'll be something. Next ban list. Legendary Dragon, Boxer Sparrer, Dragon Carnation, Radius the Half Moon Dragon, 69, so a number card as our rare, and Hootcake. Hootcake is definitely a card you want on it here, and Hootcake, that's not a, that is a holo. That is a holo. It's hard to tell right there unless you get the right lighting, but Hootcake is a holo. I did not know that. I should have thought that it would be, but guess what? Hootcake is a holo. So that's 2 holos out of 3 packs. I'm liking this thus far. So go on ahead there, or 1 holo. Was it just the one hollow? Okay. Roar Wing, you know, he's still a pretty useful card because he can be summoned back. Well, there's the Ruler of Pebbles, so there's the baby Ground Dragon, and King of the Feral Imps, which is actually, you know, in some cases a useful rank 4 because of its ability to add one reptile, essentially search reptile monsters. So let's go ahead and set that there. I didn't have another hollow, did I? I mean, maybe I'm thinking on old packs. I'm losing touch of myself here. I think it's just I moved the Dragon Ruler out. No, Noble Arms. There we go. Forgot to take that out. There we go. Okay. I'll put the hollows again in a separate set here right on Mayumi's head. Dragon Rulers get their own spot. Let's keep going here. Battle Boxer Spar. Counterpunch. Panther Shark. Recharge. Another Do a Barrel Roll. Jewel of Valiant. Bachi Bachi Bachi. Five Brother Explosion. And Doto Tengu. Spellbook of Miracles, Mimic, Counterpunch, Baby Dragon Lightning, Go 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 Gigas as our rare, Roar Wing, Pebble, Feral Imp, and Glassjaw. I believe its Feral Imp is used in some of the Cloud Blade engine stuff. Spellbook of Miracles, Radius, Takawara Knight, Panther Shark, Big Whale. I remember people were making jokes about this with M-Call. Big Whale. Pebbles? Man, we're getting a lot of the babies. Bachi Bachi Bachi? Good thing that they're unlimited, right? Mind Drain. Well, Mind Drain, I think that was kind of useful. Activate this card by paying 1,000 life points. Effects of monsters in the hand cannot be activated. So, fails out a lot of the hand traps that some decks run. So, Mind Drain. And Parasect the Interstellar Dragon. Big whale. He's big. That is a big whale. Let's keep going, otherwise we'll never get done with these 50 packs. Panther Shark. Abyss Scale. Headgear. Shark Fortress. A rare is Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Rhino. And Gauntlet Launcher as Ultra. Nice. That is a cool card. Our ratios are doing pretty good here. And I swear to God, people, I did not weigh these things. So don't tell me that. I don't. I'm fair as fair is. Little Fairy, that's a cute card out here. Sunbreaker and Switch Hitter. That's something you'll never catch me ever doing. Because I believe in, especially with this mat, I can't help it. You guys have seen me. I can't weigh the boxes that I open. So I feel that Lady Luck is on my side. The Yuki gods have faith in me. God himself has faith in me. That, you know, don't cheat anyone and you'll be fine. Sonic Warrior, Shark Fortress. Oh, I like this Mecha Phantom Beast. I like this one. Tether Wolf, because of his effect of summoning that token then right away. And, oh, geez, Totem Bird too? A secret rare. Totem Bird. That is actually one of the good cards out of here then too. Nice. Oh wow. That is cool. That is cool. I'm having great faith in these things already. I'll have to try to get some more. Parasect King, Fire King Avatar, and another Mind Drain. I'm having great faith in this pack setup. The only other one I was able to find for sale was the Shadow one. You know, the Shadow Specters. And so, man, I've opened up enough Shadow Spectre stuff that I'm not into getting another one right now. Sonic Warrior, Shark Fortress, Stealth Ray, Lightning Baby, Altitude Knight as our rare, and geez, Duck Fighter. Look at this, another holo. This is amazing. This is freaking outstanding. I don't even know what Duck Fighter does, but it's let's see here. When this card is in your hand or graveyard, you contribute tokens whose total level equals 3 or more. Special summon this card. You can only use the effect of Duck Fighter once per turn. So attributing tokens to get a level 3 out there, which you can then use for a Xyz summon. Xyz Block, Eagle Shark, and Baby Burner. So thus far, we're having great ratios. Hopefully it's not all, they weren't all packed, all the hollows were packed in the front of the box, because I just like took the 50 in the back and went with that. Sparrer, Counter Punch, Panther Shark, Recharge, Rhino again. Jeez, what the hell? Maybe I'm not going to sell any of them. Maybe I'm just going to open them all up. Ultimate Rare Scramble for the Mecha Phantom Beast. Jeez. Ultimate Rare. God, nice. I love Ultimates. It's just a cool look to a card. Jeez. Bachi, Five Brothers Explosion, Dodo Tengu. Jeez. Oh, and we're still going. We're still going here. I'm not even going to care about the ratio until we get to the end. That's why I'm separating out all the hollows. I'll be able to say, okay, X out of 50. Memory Loss. The Baby Water Dragon again. Biscale. Blizzard Falcon. Fairy Cheer Girl. I wanted one of these. You know, kind of from the show, and it's cute. Okay, there we go. So not going to continue. Fire Fist Wolf, Black Falcon, Aurora Wing, and Magnum Shield. Go like it can't continue on forever, right? Now everything else will be a bust. After I put so much faith at that point now. But thank you, Matt. Sharkraken, Headgear, Tridon, Sparrer, another Fairy Cheer Girl. Oh, another Fire Fist Wolf. Man, that's like the same pack. Burner, Little Fairy, and Aurora Wing. Two Cherry Fear Girl. Two Fairy Cheer Girls. That's nice. That's funny. Memory Loss, though. Another Memory Loss at the front of these packs now. Okay. High Tide on the Fire Island. Beast Stealth Ray. Shark Kraken, Ice Beast, Seraphorth, and oh god, it's Draco Sack. Oh jeez. I love you, Matt. I gotta bring this freaking YCS. You better let me play with my shuffle mat, YCS. Because this is the best luck I've had. Look, oh my god, Secret Rare Draco Sack, the best card to pull out of this set. I would have been doing amazing if I'd pulled these back in the day. Oh my god, Draco Sack, you sexy beast, you. You sexy phantom beast, you. Oh god, oh I'm loving it. Oh, Wolf, Black Falcon, Aurora Wing. Oh my god, I'm going to love this. I love this. I love it. And you can only, it's as happy as you can be. Tachyon, I got a win, Memory Loss, High Tide. Wheel of Prophecy as our rare... Sacred Sword of 7 stars! There you go. Hey, Sacred Sword. What do you want? You want it? You want it? You can't have it. Jeez. I can't help it. This is too fun. Switch Hitter. Bachi, Boxer Glassjaw. Oh my god. I'm having too much fun here. Just 107. Come on, what's next? 107. Ghost Rare? Come on, what's next out of this? Oh, Biscale the Mochi. Who wants to pay me to be simply unlucky now, right? You want to give me a deal? Konami? Blizzard Falcon, Sonic Warrior, Shark Fortress, Fire Feast, a Buffalo, and can't keep it going. I thought that was going to be the Dragon Roller. Burner, Magnum, Fire Formation, and Mermail. Oh man, just keep it going, I guess. Just keep pulling them. Oops, it's gonna slip there. A little slippery, these cards. A little slippery. Scale, Headgear, Shark Fortress, Leopard, Fire Feast, a Buffalo again, Little Fairy, Summon Breaker, Switch Hitter, and Xyz Block. Gotta move some things there. Oh god. Another Biscale. Jeez. Headgear, Shark Fortress, Leopard, 69 again. Jeez, another hollow. It's just like, oh, another hollow. Gear. I think this came in the structure deck for it, but it's still a hollow. It's still cool. These aren't first editions, albeit, but that is still cool. Magnum Shield, Fire Formation Kiel, and Mermail. And another 69, you know, to add on top of my number collection. Or 69, oh god, this is going to be like the bad side of Yugi tubing. Memory Loss, High Tide, Stealth Ray, Shark Kraken, Wheel of Prophecy, Magnum Shield, Xyz Block, Glassjaw, and King of the Feral Imps. So we got a play set of kings, which, you know, you're not really playing a king set, a play set of them. But, you know, that's what I like to have. I like to have at least one play set of everything that I come across, particularly the commons, because they're easy to get. Radius the Half Moon, Taka Taka, Panther Shark, Shark Kraken, Fairy Cheer Girls. So we got a play set of Fairy Cheer Girls. Fire King, Mind Drain, Starfish, and Wolf. We got a play set of Mind Drains too. I'm feeling really good about this one right now. Half Moon, Spellbook, Spar, Counterpunch, Trifortress Baby Dragon, Little Fairy, Roarwing, and Baby Pebble. Well, I was feeling good about that one, and that's the problem. I was feeling good about things. Now we're losing our 50-50 ratio here of hollows. It's pretty fast. Tridon, Spar, Dragon Carnation. Not Carceration, they're not in jail, but they are on the ban list. Radius, Half Moon Dragon, Go Gigas, Five Brothers Explosion, Dodo, Black Falcon, Little Fairy. I'm losing it. Come on, baby. Don't lose it for me. Blizzard Falcon, Baby Steam, Spellbook, Mimic, 69, and oh, geez, another secret. What do you know? Coyote. Firefist Coyote is our secret. Nice. Some more King of the Feral Imps, Starfish, and Jewels of the Valiant. Aerial Recharge, Shark Kraken, Blizzard Falcon, Steam, Double Barrel, and Constellar Sombre. There you go. More hollows. Shiny hollows. Switch Hitter, Xyz Block, Eagle Shark. I'll have to get a bigger card for this camera. Leopard, Memory Loss, Baby Steam, Biscale, Wheel of Prophecy, Fire Formation Kyo, Wolf, Burner, Little Fairy. So plenty of babies. Everybody loves a baby dragon. You know, maybe the babies will be useful again once the big boys come off. Wind, Memory, Tide, Stealth, Battle and Boxer led Yoke, that's Battle and Boxer I do not have. And another Sombre. Speaking of Constellars. Eagle Shark, Five Brother, Doto Tingo. Got 11 minutes on this card. Gotta go fast, right? Headgear, that's why all my videos are less than 30 minutes. Tridon, Spar, Dragon Carceration, Iced Beast Zero Fun again, Bachi, Glassjaw, Fire King, and Doto Tengu. I'm probably saying it wrong, but I'm going too fast now to read. I don't think I'm ever going to be able to get through this in 11 minutes. It's just too many packs. Baby Lightning, Mimic, Tridon, Memory Loss, 69 again, Mind Drain, Interstellar, Fire King, Mermail. Plenty of 69s in this pack. Sonic Warrior from the Structure deck, Panther Shark, Biss, Headgear, Altitude Knight is a rare, Little Fairy Star, Eagle Shark, Five Brothers. 10 minutes to go. Can I do it? Probably not. We'll get with what I can get. If the video cuts off, that's it. Panther Shark, Abyss Scale, Burning Shark, Altitude Knight, Burner, Magnum, Fire Formation, and Mermail. Spellbook Miracles, Radius, Takata, Panther, Xyz Dark Fairy Cheer Girl, so that was needed. Magnum Shield, Xyz Block, Battle of Glassjaw, Feral. that was needed. I mean, it's just a rare, right? Yeah. It's just a rare, but it was something that was needed. So I'm going to put that to the side by the dragon ruler here. I know everybody could get a dragon ruler in tin, but yeah, it's kind of nice to pull a dragon ruler. Yeah, it's fun, especially if they come off the ban list. Wind, Tatakawa, High Tide, Green Dustin. I wanted one of those. Brother of the Featherfist Buffalo again. Jewels of the Valiant, Bachi, Five Brothers, and Doten. Starfish, Wolf, Black Falcon or Wing, Go Giant, Sparier, Counterpunch, Panther Shark, Ariel. Starfish, Jewel, Wolf, Pebble, Wheel, Sharkraken, Headgear, Tridon, Spar. Now we're on the second half of this thing, and we go like no hollows, baby dragons, but no hollows. Baby lightning, memory, spellbook, radius, buffalo again. Oh, there's Harpy Chandler. Nice. Oh god, another nice shiny ultra rare. Loving it. Loving this. Fire Formation, Mermail, and Interstellar. Just keep it up. Just keep it up. I'll probably have to stop. You'll probably notice like a distinct stop in here, and then I'll have to download off this card and then get the next one. Memory Loss, High Tide, Stealth Ray, Shraken, another Xyz, XYZ. Ultimate Noble Knight, Gwaine. No, that's Gwaine thingy. But an ultimate, oh god, I'm loving this. Switch, Bachi, Glassjaw. I'm having so much fun here. I don't think I'm quite at the 50% pull ratio, but I like where I'm at. Mimic, Leopard, Memory, Baby Steam, Xyz Revenge, another Duck Fighter. Okay, that's the one I want. Another Duck Fighter. Glassjaw, Jewel, Bachi. I think I've gotten all the commons now. I think I've got all 48 commons at this point. Maybe I'm off by something. Leopard, Memory, Steam, this, Ice Beast, Glass, Jewel, Bachi, Five Brothers. I'm probably off by something. Oh, sound 6 minutes. 6 minutes on the recording. Can I pull it off? Spellbook of Miracles, Mimic, Counterpunch, Lightning, number 69, Eagle, Burner, Magnum, Fire. I may be able to make it. I may not be able to do a recap, but I may be able to make it. Ta-da! Panther, Sharkraken, Headgear, Buffalo again, Switch Hitter, Xyz, or Block, Eagle, and Burner. Memory Loss, Spellbook, Radius, Tata, Buffalo, Jewel, Wolf, Pebble, Bachi. I don't think there's a way I'm going to pull this off in 5 minutes. The rest of these. Counterpunch, Panther, Ariel, Gaga, Rhino, and here we go, another Scramble Hollow. Okay. Tengu, Black Falcon, Little Fairy. I got what? 7 left to go. 7 to go in 5 minutes. I can do this. Counterpunch, Lightning, Sonic, Panther, Harpy's Pet Phantasmal Dragon. This is one I wanted. That is a rare I wanted, and I'm glad I got it. And another hollow with Hoot Cake. More Hoot Cakes. Time to build a Modolce deck. Pebble, King, Glassjaw. I'm going to put that one aside because I wanted Harpy's Pet Phantasmal Dragon. I remember when that got summoned in the the dual Yugi versus Mai that they had at one of the tournaments. Leopard, Tata, Gaga, Memory Loss, Xyz Revenge, Magnum Shield, Xyz Block, Glassjaw, Feral Imps. 6 to go. 6 and 4 minutes. Okay, so I was off on my count earlier. Headgear, Tridon, Spar, Draco, Big Whale, Interstellar, Fire King, Mind Drain, Starfish. Physically, I don't think I can open this many packs in 4 minutes. Tridon, Spar, Draco, Half Moon, Fairy Cheer Girl again, Glassjaw, King, Starfish, Jewel. So I'm still just haven't hit 107. That's kind of like the last thing I think I really need to smack out of here. Mimi, Legendary, Lost, Spellbook, 69, another Sacred Sword of 7 stars. Here we go. Bachi, Mind Drain, Interstellar. Down to 3 minutes. 3 minutes remaining. Spellbook. Spar. Counterpunch. Panther Shark. Do a barrel roll again. Burner. Little Fairy. Aura Wing. And Pebbles. Shows you how much it's hard to pull the dragons themselves, dragon rollers themselves out of here. You know, we got one dragon roller out of 48 packs. Got Draco Sack. That's all that matters in the end. Recharge, Sharkin, Blizzard Falcon, Steam, another Harpy's Pet Phantasmal Dragon. And, oh, there, another Hollow. Mega Raptor, this is one I did not get yet. So let's keep it up. 5 Brothers, Doto, and Burner. Last pack out of 50. Makes me feel like I want to do the Air 50. I just want to say, no, I'm not letting you guys get the benefit on eBay now. I'm just going to go do the other 50. Got Wind, Tata, High Tide, Green Dustin. There's our other Dragon Ruler. We got Redox. And we end with a Hollow Ghost Fairy, Elphobia, and a Dragon Ruler. So we got a Dragon Ruler. We got a Hollow, Fire King, Doten, and Mermail. So we ended up pretty darn good, and I ended up perfectly on time. I got like 2 minutes to finish this up. So, couple of Phantasm Dragons, couple of CXC's Dark Fairy Cheer Girl, you know, just for the show's sake. Couple of Dragon Rulers, that's cool, that's cool. But time to, I'll move these out of the way, slide them down. And in the last minute, time to do the Hollow count. Out of 50 packs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15, 16, well, not you. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Better than a 50% ratio. 27 hollows out of 50 packs. My God, I am as lucky as hell. With Mecha Phantom Beast Draco Sack being out of that. So comment, rate, subscribe. Buy the 30 while you can before I decide to take them off. This is Newman, signing out.